Okay, replacing a power valve for a 2003 YZ250 and having a little bit of trouble with the cylinder works power valve that I bought to replace my original one with. So I've got the valve in there and the problem is the valve holder. The cylinder works power valve is not notched right here. It's round. And so you can see the old one has a notch there at the top. And what that's for is so when you put the valve holder in place, the little tip of that is supposed to go in that notch. Well, there's no notch in the cylinder works power valve, so you can see this does not lie flat on this part right here, so you can't screw this in. So I'm not sure what to do.